Ever wished you could clone your entire Excel sheet, complete with all its secret formulas and perfect formatting, with just a few clicks? Well, get ready to unlock that superpower. First, locate the Worksheet tab. That's the name of your sheet at the very bottom of your Excel window. Now, right-click directly on that sheet tab. From the menu that pops up, choose the Move or Copy option. This will open a small dialog box. The crucial step here is to check the box that says Create a Copy. You'll also see a To Book drop-down for duplicating the sheet within the same workbook. You can select your current workbook name. If you want to copy it to a brand new, separate Excel file, you choose New Book. In the Before Sheet section, you can decide where your newly copied sheet will appear relative to other existing sheets. You can place it at the end or before another specific sheet. Once you've made your selections, simply click OK. And there you have it, a perfect replica of your original worksheet, all formulas, formatting, and data intact. This is incredibly useful for creating backups, experimenting with changes without affecting your master data, or even using it as a template for new projects. Master this simple trick, and you'll be managing your spreadsheets like a pro.